Hi everyone, this is Teacher Noy. Once again, welcome to my vlog. For today's video, I am going to share with you about our journey here in University of Mindanao. For 10 years of our sacrifices, several sleepless nights, and even worried about financially. But now God granted our wish that we are going to celebrate our grandiose success here in our MA journey here in UM. I have finally come to my dream because today is our baccalaureate day and tomorrow we will be attending our graduation ceremony at SM Lanang. Hindi dito na held kasi dito lang ngayon held yung baccalaureate namin. So half day lang yung event, then tomorrow graduation na talaga. Thank you so much to all people who supported this journey, especially to our professors in UM. Why 10 years of stay here in UM? It's because we stopped for 5 years knowing that there are some problems that we have encountered in our MA journey. That is why we stopped those years and we gained back lots of energy because we want to end this journey. We enrolled our thesis proposal year 2020 and luckily we passed. And in the year 2021 to 2022, we enrolled our thesis writing, and we also passed. So this year is the final day, knowing that today is our graduation day. So it's time to celebrate our success. And I would like to give a piece of advice to everyone who is wishing to finish your MA. Don't hesitate to fulfill your dream. And be patient at all times because you don't know the road of your life that you're taking in. It could either be rough or sometimes smooth. So dream and soar high. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon for you to be notified for some videos that I'm going to upload only here in Gel Vlog. We are here in La Veda Condo here in Magallanes, and tomorrow is the graduation day, the most awaited day of my journey, presenting to you this. Alam nyo naman, it's my dad. Maka dad. Okay, yan yung condo namin guys. Malaki yung condo, tapos dalawang rooms, pero malaki yung mga rooms. Dito lahat kami nag-stay, complete package na yan lahat dyan. Ayoko na sana ipakita kasi nahiya kami guys. Good morning guys, I am just happy to share with you about yesterday, naganap doon sa UM. We waited almost 4 hours just to get our program. Also the gate pass, because if you don't have gate pass, today you will not be allowed to enter in the venue of the graduation day. So we lasted for more than 4 hours yesterday just to get everything and fix everything in the UM. Alam niyo naman yung UM, it is easy to enter in UM but it is really hard to find the exit. Yan yung tagline talaga ng mga estudyante dyan. But the delivery of the quality education is really excellent. Napakaganda mag-aral dyan. Matagal lang, magastos. Pero alam nyo naman, university yan eh. At sikat yan. At maganda yung experience namin kahapon kasi lahat talaga planchado. Lalabas ka na oriented ka, what are the goals, at talagang hindi ka mawawala sa concentration ng expectation mo for everything na pwedeng mangyari. So I just woke up today here in our room, and later I will be fixing my stuffs and everything that I'm going to do, gagawin ko after taking my breakfast. And the venue of our graduation will be held in the MNX Convention Center in Lanang. Ngayon, ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung room namin. Medyo makalat, pero ganito talaga kapag nag-rent lang tayo. Maganda yung condo nila dito sa katabi ito ng Valencia, yung condo na na-rent namin. So 2 days, 2 nights kami dito. Hindi muna kami uuwi kasi magre-relax pa kami. Maybe magkaroon kami ng pool party tomorrow. I mean mamayang gabi. So pagising mo, ito na kagad. So pwede mong open yung window. You can also move the curtain. At napakalaki ng room talaga nila. May kitchen na. Here, we took the foam because some of our guests are really requesting to stay in the sala. So doon sila natulog. At may kitchen na din. Pwede na kayong magluto. So what we did, we bought some of the fruits, vegetables, and other things last night because we have planned and agreed to cook our breakfast here. Bawat breakfast dito kami, lunch and dinner will be eating outside. Doon kami kakain. So for now, maliligo muna tayo kasi ganito tayo ng kasosyal dito sa city. But when we are going to go back home, province life is still the best for me kaysa dito ako sa city. City is very extravagant, napakamahal, expensive yung living dito. But if you are trying to spend your vacation, mas maganda kasi yung transition ng life mo, maka-experience ka ng ganitong buhay. Pero pagbalik mo sa province, iba na talaga. Pero compared to the province life, mas gusto ko doon. Napakaganda ng buhay doon. Daming libre. At ang sarap manirahan talaga sa province. Bye for now, guys. I'll be taking a bath and eat my breakfast. See you mamaya sa graduation namin.
Naku naman yun. Okay, hi guys! Tsare!
Lahat tayo may nakadaan.
Ay, diyan pa si nanay, kalimutan.
Na inaasahang gawin ang lahat. Kapag may malalaglag, siguradong palpak ang operasyon.
Ay!
We're here in the 3rd floor. Mga 10th floor ito lahat. So ito yung kanyang lobby area. You can use escalator or elevator, pero kami elevator lang kasi mas madali. Ganda ng rooms talaga, ganda ng condo, napakalinis. Ayan, ganito tayo ngayon kayaman. Pagbalik natin, ganun din tayo ka-poor. But we are rich in our heart. Mayaman tayo sa puso. Mahirap tayo sa pera. Anyway, ganyan talaga yung life. Bawi-bawi lang. Sometimes, maganda yung flow ng energy, maganda yung hatak ng kitaan mo. Pero as long as you are healthy and that's enough, that you are living in this world without any worry, yung pera kasi makikita natin. Lahat-lahat ng bagay pwede natin pagtrabahuan. Pero yung health natin dapat nating alagaan, guys. Especially kapag nag-aaral tayo. So ito, may mga hagdan. As if naman hindi nyo alam yung hagdan. Pero alam nyo yan. Sobra naman to. Yan. So if you are planning, meron silang page sa Facebook. Pwede nyo kontakin. Tapos dito na kayo magbayad via GCash po. Yung pagtanggap nila ng payment. Ganun sila. Before going to our graduation day, magpo-pool muna ako ngayon here. Sayang din naman yung bayad kung hindi natin gamitin yung pool. So ito yung pool nila dito sa Valencia condo. Yan, malinis yung tubig. I prefer to stay here kasi may may sikat ng araw na maganda talaga. And every day I need to expose myself to 20 minutes under the sunlight.
Against the light yan, Day. Gusto mo sa sinanay ang siransi.
Bangga si nanay ng ano. Ground floor. Balik. Take 2. Take 2.
Tingnan sa bukas ang iniari gapon.
Ang ganda na experience namin ngayon after pool kasi sumakay kami ng elevator tapos si nanay biglang naipit. Natakot si nanay, akala niya nangyari sa kanya. So, back to reality. Going here. Now we go. Tapos 9 na kasi, dapat 11 doon na kami sa venue. Okay, ito na yung lay namin na nabili kahapon. Then we also have here the corsage na gagamitin ng escort namin and also the graduate. At yung attire namin guys, hindi na kami bumili, nag-recycle lang kami. Then ito yung academic gown that we are going to wear today. Dito na lahat. This one I purchased, binili ko kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng file lang. And this one is rented, yung isa. So if you are wish to graduate in any year na gusto mo, I have my toga, pwede kayo mag-rent sa akin. Mas lesser na yung price para hindi na kayo magbisita pa sa UM na matagalan kayo magpila-pila doon at ibalik yung toga. Si Papa, ito yung gagamitin niya. Tapos ito, sponsor to. Tapos yan din. And pastel yung color, maybe I'll be wearing the white one. We're going to the venue.
Bayan.
Pakamang guys, sige mo.
Gilid. Kahit niyang oras. O so, nalaw na Nay, kasi madam.
Tereno ko nga sa.
Kain dyan.
Doctor ng Filosofiya sa Filipino, Doctor of Philosophy in Management, Master of Arts in Education in Educational Management, Physical Education, Teaching English and Teaching Filipino, Teaching Mathematics and Technology and Livelihood Education.
College of Architecture and Fine Arts Education, Dean Iluminado D. Quinto Jr.
Will the candidates for graduation for the degrees of Bachelor of Science in Architecture